That was beautiful. I hope that this live stream is working. Who have we got here? We've got Megan, our lovely Megan, who is normally in the Sopranos but had to leave early tonight. She was here earlier. And Nikita, hello Nikki Atkins, how are you? Can you let us know with some comments whether this, I've turned it on its side, the camera, so that we could show more of the choir. And I'm not sure whether Facebook is showing it to you in that landscape mode or not, so please let me know. Hello to Lisa Campbell as well, one of our wonderful singers on the Duggalumba Ballon, singing Black Fella White Fella a few weeks ago for Reconciliation Week. So yes, here we are celebrating NAIDOC Week. It's a celebration of all things First Nations Australian culture. So we thought tonight we would touch on a few different languages. First of all, we wanted to sing in the language of the Yugambeh people because we are here on Yugambeh Country, and the way that we like to acknowledge country is to sing in that language. So Jingeri meaning g'day, Jingi walli wahlu meaning how you going? How's it all hanging? And you might also have heard, I've been told by Yugambeh speaking people that the name for the willy wagtail is Jingeri Jingeri. Because the willy wagtail bird is a very friendly little bird that often hops up to people and goes, Jingeri Jingeri, Jingeri Jingeri, what's happening? What's up? What's the gossip? So that then became the word for g'day, what's happening? Pretty cool, hey? And they do sound like that. The willy wagtail, that sounds jingy, 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 jingy. All right, so we want to stay on the theme of Yugambeh language, because that's where we are in Yugambeh Country, and on birds. So this is a song about two different water birds, and it was taught to me by Yugambeh musician, choral leader, academic, author, Dr. Candice Kruger. She comes from the southern end of Yugambeh Country, from Combameri people. And many years ago now, I went to a workshop and she was teaching this wonderful Yugambeh song. Now it comes from a very long time ago. We don't know how long ago these words come, but the melody had gotten lost through the breakdown in culture and connection that happened when colonization happened here, invasion happened here. So the melody was lost, but the words seem to have been preserved. Candice knew these words, and with her knowledge of Yugambeh traditional songs, she wrote this melody. And Choongarrah is the name of this song. Choongarrah in Yugambeh language means pelican. And you know, everyone knows that the pelican is a lovely creature with the most beautiful big wingspan. So when Candice taught it to me, she had us all doing big arms. And then when I came to teach it to a choir, because she gave me permission to teach it to my choirs, we found that we were knocking each other with our big arms. So we had to modify it. So now we sing with arms going forward, but that's our motion of the pelican's wing. So it says Choongarrah, Choongarrah, and then it speaks about a different bird, the moppi, which is the dusky moorhen. For the dusky moorhen, moppi, moppi. So if you want to do the melody along with us at home and sing it with us and do these movements, I'm going to teach it to you very quickly. Can everyone do it with me? Choongarrah, Choongarrah, moppi, 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 bye, 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 bye. Choongarrah, Choongarrah, moppi, 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 bye, 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 bye. And I'm going to tell you what we're doing here. Candice told us that this is the flicking of the tail feather of the dusky moorhen. They have a little cheeky white under feather that they show when they flick, flick, flick their tail. So that's what's happening there. All right, we're going to sing it for you now. Please do join in. Starting with the beautiful baritones. We have Paul and Hans here. The baritones, please give them a big round of applause. And following that, we will have the awesome altos. Put your hands up, the altos. They will be joining in. Followed by the tenorific tenors. And then soaring in on a thermal come the superanos. Please give a big round of applause for the superanos. Might need to move just up a little bit more so we can see. Ah, swipe left to reveal comments and reactions. Oh, I daren't swipe left. I'll have to do that later. I just have to trust that you guys are all able to hear and see us okay. Choongarrah by the beautiful Candice Kruger, Yugambeh musician and author, choral leader extraordinaire, academic. She's got her doctorate now. So thank you, Candice, so much for teaching us that song and allowing us to sing it all these years. It's remained a favorite. All right, so now we're going to move into a different area altogether. Way up north, we're going to the Torres Strait Islands for this next song. Am I correct? That's the next one? Yep. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just going to grab it. So who here is a fan of Christine Anu? Yay! Who isn't a fan of Christine Anu, really? No, don't answer that. I don't want to know right now. But yes, we love Christine Anu. And as you know, she's very famous for many, many songs, but one is My Island Home. And she has those ties to those beautiful islands up in the Torres Strait. Now, this song is known as a traditional song in the Torres Strait. It's called TABA, and Christine sang it with, very famously, an Australian children's performing group called? The Wiggles. The Wiggles. So there is a bit of wiggling for the Wiggles in this song. TABA is all about going out on the reef fishing. So the words are TABA, NABA, NABA, norem, which means come on, let's go out to the reef. Tuge pene sir mi Jingi NABA tre. I'm remembering it. So that means we're going to go out and catch some fish, I think.
Get in the dinghy.
Oh, we got to get in the dinghy. You can hear it. Dinghy number 3. And then it says, mi correre misererem nebawem. Nebawem? Is that right? Nebawem, which means?
When the morning tide is low.
When the morning tide is low. And then TABA, NABA, norem. And it's got some movements to it. So if you'd like to do the movements, we're going to teach it to you. So we start with TABA, NABA, norem. 1, 2, 3, 4. TABA, NABA, NABA, norem. So what we're doing there is just doing this with our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. TABA, NABA, NABA, norem. Tuge pene siti mi corre mi corre serem never when I'm stepping it up. TABA, NABA, norem. Style. This is what Christine I know does at the end. She does this style, and we really like her style when she does that. Now I just completely mess it up because I didn't bring the music over to help me out because I only just learned this myself. So let's do it again, and this time I promise to do it better. 1, 2, 3, 4. TABA, NABA, NABA, norem. Together singing, singing and norem. Mi corre serem. TABA, NABA, norem. Start. And again. TABA, NABA, NABA, norem. Together singing, singing and norem. Mi corre serem never when. TABA, NABA, norem. Style. TABA, NABA, NABA, norem. Together singing, singing and norem. Mi corre serem never when. TABA, NABA, norem. Style. One more time. TABA, NABA, NABA, norem. Together singing, singing and norem. Mi corre serem never when. TABA, NABA, norem. Style. Every time I went out to do this, I couldn't see the words, and I'm going, oh no, I've lost it. But never mind, we're learning. So that's a really joyous song about getting out on the reef. And one of the other videos that inspired us with this song was by Jessie Lloyd and the TSI Song Women. Check out that. Go to YouTube and put in Jessie Lloyd and the TSI Song Women. We've got a beautiful set of videos, all with island songs from the Torres Strait Islands, including that one. And they've got all these extra verses that they've added and this beautiful filmography of fishing happening and feasting happening and women singing together and a lot of community fun and joy. All right, the last song we're going to do for you in our NAIDOC week celebration is Inane. Most people will have heard of Inane. Titters, the wonderful Indigenous group, 3 women who used to sing a cappella, sometimes with guitars, back in the 90s. They first recorded this song, which had been taught to Lou Bennett, one of the singers in Titters, by her aunties when she was a kid. So she then brought this to the band, and then the band made this song famous, and it's sung around the world in many, many places. Inane, here we go.
Inane gapuana, inane gapuana. ula. Ula e ipi e ipi e. Guana 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 choo. Guana 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 choo. Inanea puana, inanea puana. Hey, ula, 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 yippee, yippee. Guana, 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 choo. Guana, 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 choo. Inanea puana, inanea puana. Hey, ula, 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 hippie, hippie. Guana, 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 choo. Guana, 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 choo.
Thank you very much to our audience. I hope you enjoyed our little set. We have really enjoyed celebrating and honouring the beautiful songs and language of First Nations people from different parts of this beautiful land. So I hope you've enjoyed yourselves, and I will read your comments later and we'll respond to them. So say a big thank you to Freedom Train. And we'll see you in our next live stream. Yay! Bye!